Welcome to the channel, welcome to my garage. We're here today to pick up my Scirocco seats. I've had a chat with Rush Republic and they need them down there on Friday so they can put it through an MOT. That'll be a while away yet, but I'll also be taking the Ronald turbos. They're due to be refurbed this week, so they'll go down with me next Friday. But I need to get these back to the house because, as you can probably see, they've got a little bit of damp and mould on them. So we've got a spot wash, a Vax spot wash, so we're going to give them a damn good clean in the garden. It's going to be nice and sunny tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get them all dry and they can go down on Friday. Got the seats back now, we're under the carport. Dug out the Vax Spotwash Duo. I'll give this a relatively deep clean with these. I might, when they get the car back after it's been finished at the garage, give them another clean as well. But you've seen the mould that was on them in the garage. They've been in there for 18 months, I think, and yeah, it's not that bad. It's just that there's a little bit in there, so we'll give them a deep clean. It's a nice sunny day today, so they should dry out quite quickly. So we'll put this on a time lapse, and we'll get on with using this. Okay, I've got one seat down. I'm hoping you can see the difference between this clean one and this dirty one. This is the driver's seat that's always got a cover on it. This didn't, and this came out filthy. So I do what we're looking in here now. That's what's come out of this so far. I'll try and get some close-ups when I do this one of all those craps coming out of these seats. But glad I'm getting them done. They turn out really, really well. Want to see what came out of the seats? That's what came out of the seats. Pretty manky. Mainly out the back one, surprisingly, because nothing gets put on that and the passenger seat. So, yeah. These, using this Spotwash, have come out really well. I mean, don't want them decent nick before I did the refurb, but the fact they've been sat in a dirty, mouldy garage for 18 months, I'm just surprised how well they've come up. They're going to look amazing when they get delivered to Russell and get put into my Scirocco. The original intent was to do a whole video of doing these, getting the wheels refurbed, and going to see the Scirocco, which I'm doing in a few days' time. But I think we'll just do a quick video on this to show how I got on with cleaning these. This is a pretty damn good piece of kit for doing this. I'm really impressed with it. You saw the muck that came off them. I'll do a quick close-up of how clean these are. They're still a bit damp at the moment. They're going in the back garden in the sun just to dry off, but this could be the first of a number of videos on my Mk2 Scirocco. As I'm getting it back from Rush Republic, there'll be a video again about the powder coated wheels, and there'll be a video later on, in a week or so, of going to visit it. It's currently with Rush Republic. It's been painted. It's got a BBS kit being fitted to it. This needs a lot of mechanical work doing too, which I'll go through in that video. But again, this is the first of a series of videos on getting that thing back on the road. It's been stood for about 4 years, so first job done. Seat's nice and clean, ready to go back in. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. Again, there'll be videos over the next 3 or 4 weeks. Cheers.